day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to discuss about the integrals of formulas. So let's start. So this is the integrals of formulas that we must understand. So first formula is the integration of du is equal to u plus c. Next is the integrations of a du is equal to a the integrations of du. The integration of du plus dv is equal to the integration of du plus the integration of dv. 4 is the integration of u raised to n du is equal u raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c and not equal to negative 1. Next is the integration of du over u is equal inu plus c. 6 is the integrations of eu du is equal e raised to u plus c. Next is the integrations of a raised to u du is equal e u ine plus c. Next is the integration of cos u du is equal to sin u plus c. Next is the integration of sin u du will be negative cos u plus c. And next is the integrations of tan u du is equal in sec u plus c. The integrations of cot u du is equal in sin u plus c. The integration of sec square u du is equal tan u plus c. Next we have the integration of cs square u du is equal to negative cot u plus c. The integration of sec u tan u du is equal to sec u plus c. Next is the integration of csq cot u du will be negative cxq plus c. Then the last is the integrations of du over 1 minus u plus sine raised to negative 1 plus c. These formulas, it's very important to know and how to integrate, and these formulas, it's helpful to us to memorize, and it's easy to integrate the different integrations. So, and also they are differentials. So we have first is du is equal du over dx and deu is equal e du. Du plus v is equal du plus dv. Du raised to n is equal n u raised to n minus 1 du. Dinu is equal du over u, and 6 is d e raised to u is equal e raised to u du. Then the 7 is d e raised to u is equal eu in e du. Next is d sin u is equal cos u du. Next we have d cos u is equal negative sin x u du. Next is d in sec u is equal tan u. Next d in sin u is equal cot u. D tan u is equal sec square u du, and d cot u is equal negative 6q du. Next we have d sec u and sec u tan u and etc. So here an example that we can use and integrate the part of formula. So first is we have the integration of x sin x dx by the integration of part of formula of integration of u du is equal uv the integration of u du. So solutions. So ru will be x and du will be dx and dv will be sin x dx and the v will be negative cos x. So using that formula, so we have x is equal cos x will be the uv, then minus the integration of cos x dx, then simplify, so we have negative cos x plus the integration of cosec dx, and then we have our answer will be negative x cos x plus sin x plus c. And sample number 2 is we have evaluate the integrations of dx y plus 4x squared. So we have du is equal 1 plus 2 squared is equal tan negative 1 u plus c, that we were use that formula. So ru will be 2x and du will be 2x, and dx is equal to 1 half dx. So substitute into the formula. So we have the integrations of dx over 1 plus 4x squared is equal to the integrations of ru will be 2x, r will be 1 over 2, so 1 over 2 du is equal 1 plus 2 squared is equal 1 over 2, the integrations of du over 1 plus u to u squared. So we have 1 over 2 tan raised to negative 1 u plus c. So our answer is 1 over 2 tan negative raised to negative 1. So the value of u will be 2x plus c. So that's all. Thank you.